protection of God from the cruel nature of devil. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Respected chief guest, principal, teaching faculty, parents, dear schoolmates, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all of you. Teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into realities. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I am very glad to speak a few words about my teachers and their importance in each one of our life. As we consider our school as our home, all the teachers must be considered as our parent. The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. A good teacher helps us to become a good human being in the society and a good citizen of the country. Teachers know that the students who are sitting in front of them are going to rule our nation tomorrow. So the future development of any country is in the hand of the teachers. We are not only learning academic lessons from a teacher, rather we are learning a lot of new things. They play a major role in molding our character. They always encourage us to follow good habits. They are ready to spend their valuable time whenever we need them. Whenever we say we are highly educated, it's not only about our subject knowledge, it includes everything. Our behavior, our confidence, our respect for others, etc. We acquire all of this only because of the presence of a good teacher. It's like a parent, a teacher also knows what they have to give to raise up their students. We need teachers in every stage of life. At any time, we can seek advices, we can seek suggestions from a teacher. Tomorrow, when you live in a highest position, it's not only you who is completely happy or satisfied. Along with you, your teachers will be also there with full joy and happiness because it is their success too. So it is important we have to understand the hard work of each teacher and we must appreciate their efforts and contributions. We must be always responsible and respectful to our teachers because their blessing is important for our future. A good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way of others. जितने भी ज़माने से मुझे दाद मिली है, जितने भी ज़माने से मुझे दाद मिली है, मेरा ईमान है कि सब ऐसी उस्ताद मिली है. रहबर भी है, हमदम भी है, गमखार हमारे. रहबर भी है, हमदम भी है, गमखार हमारे. उस्ताद ये कौमों के हैं, मेहमान हमारे. Thanks, Afiyamanillah.